In the Swiss mountains, we've created something extraordinary. A production that gives back more than it takes. Welcome to LICO, where sustainability isn't just a goal, it's reality. 100% green energy, CO2 negative production, we generate enough clean energy for an entire village of 1,200 people. But our responsibility doesn't end at delivery. Our Second Life program is our commitment to a sustainable future. We take back every LICO floor when its first life ends to give it a new beginning. We sand off the old design, apply fresh printing and coating, reprofile the edges, and repack it for its next home. This is resource-efficient recycling that keeps quality high and waste at zero. We prove daily, maximum performance and minimum environmental impact, they go hand in hand. This is our promise. Floors that protect what matters most: your home, your health, our planet.